In the realm of superfoods, tiny seeds pack a mighty punch. But which reigns supreme? Which tiny seed is the ultimate superfood, chia or flax? One absorbs over 10 times its weight in water, transforming into a gel that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. The other is loaded with heart-healthy omega-3s, essential fatty acids that support brain function and reduce inflammation. These aren't just seeds, they're nutritional powerhouses. They're ancient superfoods with the power to transform your health, offering a wealth of benefits in every tiny package. Chia seeds come from Salvia hispanica, a desert plant native to Mexico and Guatemala, thriving in arid climates and offering a sustainable food source. Prized by Aztec warriors for stamina, these seeds fueled their conquests and sustained their energy during long journeys. Flax seeds or linseeds are from one of the oldest crops, cultivated for millennia across various civilizations. Used for both linen and health, flax provided both practical materials and nutritional benefits to ancient societies. Since ancient Babylon, flax has been a staple in diets and textile production, showcasing its versatility and importance. And Egypt, where it was revered for its healing properties and used in various medicinal preparations. Both are tiny, but don't let their size fool you. They hold a wealth of potential. They're packed with nutrients, offering a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Today, science confirms what ancient cultures knew. These seeds support vibrant health, contributing to overall well-being and vitality. Why the buzz now? We all want simple, natural foods that deliver real benefits, providing tangible improvements to our health and energy levels. Chia and flax are versatile, easy to use, and nutrient-dense, making them a convenient addition to any diet. But which is better for fiber, promoting digestive health and regularity? Heart health, supporting cardiovascular function, and reducing the risk of heart disease? Or weight management, helping you feel full and satisfied while supporting a healthy metabolism? We're about to find out, as we delve into the nutritional profiles of these two super seeds. It's time for the ultimate superfood showdown. Prepare for a head-to-head comparison. Chia versus flax, let the battle of the seeds begin. What sets chia seeds apart from other seeds and superfoods? What makes them so special and worthy of the hype? One of their most remarkable qualities is their ability to absorb a significant amount of liquid. When soaked, they can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, transforming into a gel-like consistency thanks to their high-soluble fiber content. This unique characteristic is what makes them so versatile in various recipes. This gel slows down the digestive process, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, resulting in steadier blood sugar levels and a prolonged feeling of fullness and satiety. This makes them a fantastic addition to any diet focused on appetite control and effective weight management. Flax seeds, on the other hand, boast a different set of superpowers. They are particularly famous for their impressively high omega-3 fatty acid content, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, often referred to as ALA, a plant-based essential fat that plays a crucial role in supporting optimal heart health and effectively reducing inflammation throughout the body. ALA is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system, ensuring it functions at its best, and flax is widely recognized as one of the most abundant and readily available plant sources of this vital nutrient. Beyond omega-3s, flax seeds are also generously loaded with lignans. These are powerful antioxidants that may contribute to hormonal balance and provide protection to our cells, shielding them from potential damage caused by free radicals. So, with flax, you're essentially getting a double dose of goodness, both heart-healthy fats that are essential for overall well-being, and potent antioxidants that combat cellular damage. Chia's remarkable gelling power and flax's wealth of omega-3s and lignans make each seed a truly unique nutritional powerhouse. Both chia and flax offer impressive health perks, but they achieve these benefits through different mechanisms and nutritional profiles. So whether your goal is to feel fuller for longer, provide support for your heart's health, or increase your intake of antioxidants, these incredible seeds are ready to deliver a wide range of benefits to your overall health and well-being. The real question that remains is, which one of these super seeds aligns most perfectly with your individual health goals and dietary needs? Let's continue digging deeper into their nutritional profiles to uncover the answer and make an informed choice. Stay tuned as we embark on a detailed comparison of their nutritional content, putting chia and flax seeds head-to-head in a battle of the superfoods. The battle of the super seeds continues, and the stakes are high. Let's compare chia and flax in the nutrition ring. Both are fiber powerhouses, but chia is especially high in soluble fiber, forming that famous gel for slower digestion and cholesterol control. Flax offers both soluble and insoluble fiber, helping with regularity and gut health. Protein-wise, chia has a slight edge and is a complete protein, great for plant-based diets. Flax still provides valuable amino acids. For healthy fats, flax leads with more ALA omega-3s, while chia also contributes a good amount. Both seeds help balance omega-3 and omega-6 intake, supporting overall health. Chia is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and manganese for strong bones. Flax shines with thiamine, magnesium, copper, and selenium. Add these seeds to your diet for a boost of essential nutrients. They won't replace your multivitamin, but they're a simple way to upgrade your meals. Next, let's see how these nutrients translate into real health benefits. When it comes to nurturing your heart, both chia and flax seeds stand out as true heart health heroes. They're not just any seeds, they're little powerhouses packed with benefits that can make a real difference in your cardiovascular well-being. This is largely thanks to their impressive content of omega-3 fatty acids and dietary fiber, two key components for a healthy heart and a vibrant life. These nutrients work synergistically to help lower inflammation throughout your body, acting as a natural defense against various health issues. Chronic inflammation can be a silent threat, and these seeds offer a delicious way to combat it. Furthermore, they play a crucial role in helping to reduce LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Incorporating these seeds into your diet can also support healthy blood pressure levels, contributing to a more balanced and stable cardiovascular system. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital for overall health and longevity. But the benefits don't stop there. Their fiber content also works wonders by binding cholesterol in your gut, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This process actively contributes to keeping your arteries clear and healthy, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and promoting optimal blood flow. When it comes to digestion, both of these seeds truly shine as natural aids for a healthy and happy gut. Flax seeds, with their abundance of insoluble fiber, are particularly effective at keeping you regular and preventing constipation. Meanwhile, chia seeds have a unique ability to form a gel-like substance when soaked in water, which can soothe your gut lining and provide nourishment for the beneficial bacteria that reside in your digestive system. Furthermore, their impressive combination of high fiber and protein content contributes to a feeling of fullness and satiety after meals. This makes them invaluable allies in your journey towards effective and sustainable weight management. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is yet another remarkable perk associated with incorporating these seeds into your daily diet. This is especially beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or those who experience frequent energy crashes throughout the day. The abundance of antioxidants found in flax seeds and the potent anti-inflammatory effects of both chia and flax seeds may even extend to supporting the health and vitality of your skin and brain, contributing to a radiant complexion and enhanced cognitive function. Simply adding chia or flax seeds to your daily diet is a remarkably simple step that can unlock a cascade of significant health benefits. Whether your primary goal is to achieve a healthier heart, experience improved digestion and gut health, or gain more effective control over your weight, these incredible seeds are poised to deliver remarkable results. Their positive impact extends far beyond the basics, touching upon various aspects of your overall well-being. You can anticipate improved energy levels, a more balanced and uplifted mood, and a profound sense of overall well-being that radiates from the inside out. These are truly super seeds, a testament to the power of nature's nutrition. So, are you ready to embrace the incredible potential of chia and flax seeds and seamlessly integrate them into your daily routine? Let's delve into the various ways you can prepare and enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. Even superfoods have limits. Too much chia or flax too quickly can cause bloating or digestive discomfort. Start with a teaspoon a day and increase gradually, always drinking plenty of water. For flax, use ground seeds for maximum nutrition. Whole seeds may pass through undigested. Store ground flax in the fridge to keep it fresh. If you have hormone-sensitive conditions, check with your doctor before eating lots of flax due to its lignans. Don't eat dry chia seeds by the spoonful. They swell and could be a choking risk. Always soak them or mix into moist foods. Both seeds can mildly thin blood and affect blood sugar, so consult your doctor if you're on medication. Listen to your body, and adjust as needed. With a little care, you can enjoy all the benefits safely. Adding chia and flax to your meals is easy and delicious. Make chia pudding by soaking seeds in milk overnight for a creamy breakfast. Sprinkle chia or ground flax into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutrient boost. Add them to salads, soups, or stews for extra texture and nutrition. Bake them into muffins, pancakes, or energy bars. Ground flax even works as a vegan egg replacer. Keep jars of chia and ground flax handy in your kitchen for quick use. Pre-soak chia seeds to have gel ready for recipes or drinks. Just a tablespoon or two a day can make a real difference. Experiment to find your favorite ways to enjoy these seeds. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit. Healthy eating can be simple and tasty. Now that you know the power of chia and flax, how do you use them? Share your favorite recipes and tips in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to start their health journey. Remember, small, consistent changes, like adding these seeds, can have a big impact. Celebrate every healthy choice no matter how small. Your health journey is unique, so enjoy the process and listen to your body. Keep exploring new superfoods and recipes. Knowledge is power. Use it to nourish your body and mind. Here's to your vitality and well-being.